Give me a dress like this, girls. Wear loose pants or loose pants. All right. This model will be the neck of the ship. There is an extra hand. The material here, they sew it with a soft cloth. The charm is chiffon, or silk, if you don't like sewing. We can sew these materials. Lions are all. This hand is long. And I'm going to have a slightly flared under my arm. Now we're going to start. Go into the design for this template. And design for this one. I'm going to need a shoulder, neck, chest, waist, butt, and long waist. And now, I'll draw the body first. In the back, we painted the same paper. I'll cut it out later. Take the length of your shirt. With this shirt, we will wear it long. So here's my shirt length. I took 60. You build a perpendicular line through. Then you will take the shoulder. Divided by 2, 30 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took in 16. Down is 4. When you enter her, divide the year 30 by 5. By 6. I connect it in. And I'm going to take the lower breast and divide it by 5. U plus 2. 80 divided by 5. Plus 2, I'm 18. I took it down to 18. I crossed a line. Then I'll take it across my chest. The chest is divided by 4 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took it across a road. And then we put a perpendicular line down. 35 is the lower waist you have to measure. And then we'll take it across the waist. Is waist divided by 4 sisters plus 2. In this model, we are lucky to not have A. By the way, you can add 1 to make it smaller. Let's divide 64 by 4. Add 2 to get 18. Then you're going to get your ass is equal to the butt divided by 4. 80 divided by 4 plus 2, we get 22. Then I connected this road. Boobs. If my ass goes in, I'll get a body. And then we build a perpendicular line. Reverse 2 petrol split in half again. And then continue. You're going to back this up. The gas down for me is 7. And we'll connect, we'll get the old one. Here, we'll get the body first. Dear friends, later you will go straight up and give me to gas. Connect in. This reduces 1. And she's coming down for me. 2, we'll get the back. Now we're going to cut it. And there's no seam here. Remember to leave the seams when we cut on the fabric, okay? Then you cut the part. Body before body after body like this. The body behind you just needs a movement that we're going to cut. I want to cut this part of my chest and cut off some gas. Then the next body will be the next body. This body after. Body later has a multiplier for 1. In the previous section, you will expand the section. Front part out, but we're going to divide this midpoint. Open it up. So, let's start with starting from the neckline to the chest line. You also split it in half from the neck. I'll have to cut my hair first. First, let's put it in this place. Expand out. I took the middle of the chest. I connected a point in the middle, then you split in two. I can beat it. Back to the old part. It curves back to the neck. And then we'll turn this down. It's going to take a curve. That goes straight down to the waist. Then we'll get a body part. What you see is, there will be a way out. When we cut it this way. There will be a second piece. Follow this road as usual. Please take note. Say again the shirt. When we cut it, it's going to have a piece like this. Then the second piece opens. And we cut the curve. We cut it out and open it in a curve like this. What you see is this neck. This dress will be the style of the ship. So here we're going to draw another part of the ship's neck. You will also measure the part. I can measure 12 lines here. Body star. Then also 12. Then we split the to before and after. To get out here. And you're going to draw yourself an ancient leg. The length is 24. I took 12 plus 12 just now. 2 4 is 12 plus 12 is to 4. And from here you get to petrol. And then we'll go to an old board. It has a magnitude of 3 gasoline. And then this part, you go straight up to the 2.5 inch
we
corner.
will bow.
Then you'll get the leg. Cut the head of the neck. That's where we get the neck. And now to the sleeve. Your sleeves will be measured. Armpit ring. I'm measuring the 6-bar armpit now.
I measured 22.
Armpit ring front bar. It can be 20. And then we'll get the measurements. Front armpit ring and back armpit ring. The front armpit ring is 20 plus. The back armpit is 42.
You divide 2 by 2.
I'm going to take the lower point of the chest. Divided by 5 divided by 10 plus. 5 and 80 divided. 80 divided by 10 plus 5. Then we're 13. I took down 13. Then you will cross it for me. By 21. This number is 2 and 1 up here is 0. That's to 1. That's it. That's the cross. Then we split in 2. And then you can take these to down 1. And this arm, you're going to take the length of the hand as you wish. Down here, from here. I'll give you 7. Now I'm just starting to bend. And we bend. You will get your hands up. That it. I will expand in the live stream. And if you cut this shape, you remember. We're going to choose materials that are soft. Then we'll cut this shape and it'll be beautiful. And you cut it. If it is rough, it will not be as beautiful. So here's all the details that we share together today is the part. Here. So now I'm going to talk about how to be lucky. Let your sisters imagine. The previous body is that we will sew the border. Sew the border for the vertical part for the splint. And we'll have a piece. Like this. You're going to put that piece up here. Along the body. Then the splint. When we put it on top of the body, if it is already over, you don't need to worry. I just need to install a fake button like the picture. And after you're lucky. After that, we will assemble the part. Assembly for part. Armpits here. You'll assemble this shoulder. After we sew the shoulder, then you will sew your hand into the body. Hand here. You will sew your hands into the body. After you sew your hands into your body, then we turn the body down. You sew the side line and the ribs together. This neck you will cut with double folding cloth. This is a double layered cloth. And we're going to put this in the middle. You sew the neck on the body. The rest of it will come back. And then we fall in love and we're done. For this model. I wish my sisters success. Shincho and see you all.